What is funny?
In today's food journey, I'll be taking you to Enugu State, one of the states in the eastern part of Nigeria, to show you a very iconic food. A food so popular that it is now eaten by almost every tribe and ethnic group in Nigeria. Hello guys, and welcome back to Epic Food Review. Today I've come to Udi local government area of Enugu State to show you guys a very special food. A food so popular that the people of Enugu in the eastern part of Nigeria are known mainly because of this food. This food is called Okpa. And today I'm going to show you how a true Enugu person prepares Okpa. Let's go. Okpa, a delicious meal made from crushed Bambara nuts, is a very proteinous food that is believed to have originated from Enugu State but is now eaten all over Nigeria. Today I have come to Udi local government to see how the locals cook it. Immediately I asked about Okpa. They told me that for me to get the best Okpa, I should go to Enugu. When I came to Enugu, they still told me for me to get the best Okpa in Enugu, I should go to Udi. So I'm here. Udi local government is located at the southeastern part of Enugu State, which is one of the 5 major Igbo-speaking states in Nigeria, West Africa. The Udi people are known as a very welcoming people with a lot of cultural heritage and are also known for being arguably the best in cooking Okpa.
To us, Okpa is a very good food.
Okay.
It's highly proteinous,
Okay.
very sweet, and is one food that almost everybody loves, both Igbos and non-Igbos. Everybody wants to eat Okpa.
It's true.
It's very important to us because it's something that we've been known for.
All right.
Even during olden days, it's something Udi people is being known for Okpa. If you come to Udi, it's one of the things they welcome you with.
Okay.
Yes.
They love Okpa so much that they have 2 recipes for cooking it. The first recipe is the regular one that is very common, and the other recipe is known only by the Udi people. But today we are going to see the 2 recipes.
And we even have many ways to cook Okpa.
In Enugu here?
Yes. Starting from the seed. The seed can be fried. You eat it with palm kernel.
Okay,
it's very sweet.
Okpa.
The seed, yes.
Oh wow, okay.
Then after grinding, you can now cook it like the one everybody knows. But there is another special way we, Udi, especially Omabe people.
Omabe people? Okay.
Yes, cook their own. That one, after cooking that one, we cook it white without putting oil.
Okay.
Before you now turn with vegetable.
Okay, so to you, which one is better? Is it the normal yellow one I used to buy? Or that one, this one you talked about?
The vegetable one.
Is better than the yellow one?
Yes.
Okay.
But the yellow one is the one people know.
Okay.
Even that vegetable one, you can, if you like, you will not put the vegetable. You eat the Okpa like that with red oil. Just the way you eat yam with red oil.
Okay, the white one.
Yes.
Only you eat the white one, just the white one.
Yes, with red oil.
Just like white yam.
Yes.
Which Okpa, which particular one are you going to make for us today?
I will cook the 2 of them.
The two different types?
Yes.
Wonderful. I would like to see it. Please, let's go.
Let's go.
Alright guys, it's time to go and see how the Udi people in Enugu State prepare the famous Okpa that every Nigerian loves. Let's go. For the 2 versions of Okpa, you will need the Okpa or Bambara nuts. You need to grind it to a flour like this. You also need fresh pepper, garden egg leaves, African spinach, palm oil, oba or shredded oil bean seeds, and salt. We'll be preparing the 2 versions of Okpa together. Start by heating up some water. You just need the water to be warm. Add some Okpa flour into a bowl. Slowly add in water while mixing continuously. You need to keep mixing and adding water till you get your desired consistency. Also add salt to taste during the mixing process. When you are done mixing, tie small quantities of your Okpa batter in nylons and set aside. This will form white Okpa, which is the base for the special recipe.
This is the leaf that we use in tying Okpa, plantain leaf. But due to harmattan, there is scarcity of the leaves now because you hardly see the one that is complete like this during harmattan. Like now, this is the leaf here. All of them are just like this. You hardly see the one that will be complete for you to do the Okpa. That's why we are now using nylon to tie them.
For the regular Okpa, add some Okpa flour into your bowl. Add salt, palm oil and some blended fresh pepper. Then mix very well before adding warm water.
After pouring pepper, your fresh pepper, your red oil and salt, you mix everything together. After the massaging, so that the okpa will be easy, it will be going freely before you now put your water.
Continue mixing and adding water to avoid clumps until you get your desired consistency. Then tie the okpa like you did the other one.
While tying, the last one, you will not pour everything to avoid sand. Like now, you can see the particles of sand inside.
Put the tied okpa into a pot of water.
Okpa inside pot. Each one you bring, before you put it inside pot, you shake it. You shake it very well so that the ingredients will not go and settle at the bottom.
Cover and cook for 1 hour. Start counting the time from when the water started boiling. After 1 hour, the okpa is ready. Now cut your garden egg leaves and African spinach. Put a pot on fire. Wash and add your vegetables and the okpa into the pot. Cover to cook for 5 minutes or until the vegetables soften. As the vegetable is cooking, cut the white okpa into bite-sized pieces. Now pour the soft vegetables into the pot containing the cut white okpa. Add some palm oil, salt, and blended fresh pepper. Mix everything very well and your special okpa is ready. Alright guys, so here we have the 2 versions of okpa prepared by the Udi people in Enugu state. This one should be the normal one I know.
Yes.
So this one now is your village own, the one they know Udi people.
Yes.
Okay. Let me start with the one I know. Okay. Oh, yes. Yeah, this is it. This is the one I know. I've been eating this for a long time and the taste is just it. But now, this one, it has a very unique taste to it. The preparation is very simple. What I noticed here, very simple, but the taste is just amazing. How do I explain it? It's spicy and it's delicious. Like very, very delicious. I don't think any other version of okpa can beat this. But I will have to find out because I've not eaten this one before.
Try this one first before you conclude. Yes.
All right. Okay. Let me compare because I've eaten this one and this one is just, I don't know. I don't think. But let me just check and know if. Wow.
What is funny?
Oh my God. You see this one? This version of okpa, wow, is something else. The taste of this oil bean, they mix in it with the vegetable. Oh God. And to think that there was no seasoning added to these dishes here. This is too tasty. This is very, very delicious. I wish you were here, but you are not. So I'm going to enjoy myself because this food is wonderful.
Now that you've eaten the 2 of them, which one do you like most?
I think I like this one. I like this one more. Huh?
Why?
The flavors. This one is just normal okpa. It's delicious, but this one, the added vegetable and that oil bean, that's you call it oba or abaka. The added abaka has this rich taste, added a very rich taste to it. So I think this one is more unique than this one. And the taste of this one with the vegetable, this one will have more health benefits, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this one should have more health benefits than this one. Yes. So this one win. So guys, I want to relax and eat this food. You have seen it. The 2 versions of okpa, one of the most popular foods eaten by the Enugu state people from the eastern part of Nigeria. If you love this video, you know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, eat to live while I live to eat. I am Mr. Epic and I will see you on the next video.